class 8th and today we are here to celebrate World Tourism Day. Celebration must begin with the name of God. So, join your hands, close your eyes and connect yourself with the Holy Spirit.
Get ready for this special prayer. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us, our families, and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, our families, and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us, our families, and on the whole world. Providence of God, watch over us. Providence of God, watch over us. Providence of God, watch over us. Our guardian angel, protect us. The Lady of Mount Carmel, pray for us. Thank you.
ऐ मालिक तेरी दुनिया में है हमको तेरा ही आसरा। ऐ मालिक तेरी दुनिया में है हमको तेरा ही आसरा। मन डरता है बुझ जाए ना ये सांसों का छोटा सा दिया। जब आंधी हो हवाएं सहमी हो सारी दिशाएं, जब दुख की हो घटाएं तो हम जाए कहाँ। ऐ मालिक तेरी दुनिया में है हमको तेरा ही आसरा। ऐ मालिक तेरी दुनिया में है हमको तेरा ही आसरा। धुंधले से चेहरों में धुंधली सी यादें हैं, यादों में तेरा कारवां। बुझती सी आँखों में टूटे से सपने हैं, सपनों में तेरे ही निशान। आस बाकी सांस बाकी तोड़ी जाए ना, याद बाकी बात बाकी छोड़ी जाए ना। ऐ मालिक तेरी दुनिया में है हमको तेरा ही आसरा। ऐ मालिक तेरी दुनिया में है हमको तेरा ही आसरा।
Good thoughts are a good diet for brain. Manak and Anuj are here with the chain of such words.
Good morning everyone, I am Anuj Sahu.
And I am Manak Das.
Part of the day is on topic tourism. Before COVID-19, tourism was the fastest and the largest growing industry in the world. It gave a source of revenue, employment for accounting more than 320 million jobs. But majorly it provides us with the missing component of everyone's life, as beautifully quoted by Saint Augustine. The world is a book, and who does not travel read only one page. And to move, to breathe, to fly, to float, to gain all while you give, to roam the roads of land remote, to travel is to live. By Hans Christian Andersen.
Doesn't love to travel, but situation has forced us to lock ourselves in our home. The COVID-19 pandemic has created a cloud of negativity with psychological jangling and jailed the people inside their home, because of which their wish for traveling is fading away. Also, the employment of our country, including tourism business, had suffered the worst. I would like to quote a phrase which was written by Rabindranath Tagore. I traveled miles for many a year. I spent a lot in lands afar. I've gone to see the mountains, the oceans I have been to view. But I haven't seen with these eyes. Just 2 steps from my home lies, on a corn of paddy grain, a glistering drop of dew. These lines with deep meaning states that even though we have travelled miles far away from home, but we have not given the importance to nearby places. Not even a field full of crops, which also deserves to be praised.
Even though our government had reopened some tourist places, but the people have become least bothered about their safety and safety of people around them. Therefore, it is mandatory to follow COVID-19 precautionary guidelines so that one can travel at their best. Full vaccination of the eligible candidate is mandatory. If vaccination is not possible, then RT-PCR report is to be produced, which should not be more than 72 hours before traveling. Some railway stations are conducting on-the-spot rapid antigen tests.
Anyone suspects or shows symptoms of COVID-19 should depart themselves from traveling. In few places, quarantine for 14 days is mandatory, followed by negative RT-PCR test while returning. Wear of mask, proper sanitization of self and places, maintaining a safe distance with limited tourist capacity.
Now, I am going to introduce with the poetess of my class, who is here with the poetry based on world's beauty.
A world where angels sings and flowers bloom in spring. The big blue sky which helps me to fly high. The crisp of autumn air, the wisp of silky hair. Hollow roaring sea with a beautiful buzzing bee. Snow covering the mountain, standing so high. Grass covering the soil, spreading so wide. The big blue sky let the other colors come out during the red velvet sunset until they came out next time. The falls, the seas, the shrubs, the herbs, the warmth, the wind, the rain, the light, the summer, the winter all sing together to modify the beauty of the world. Lot to say, many to say. A world where rivers flows a stream of promptitude, salt forest which gives solitude, dove which signifies peace, butterfly which gives hope, stones which give strength, an ocean the new beginning of the world, sun which gives power to shine bright, the moon which gives wisdom to fight. The world where everything is so nice. Life is too short to explore. Life is a mystery which no one can solve it. Life is incomplete unless you have taken oneness of traveling and visiting your dream locations. Happy World Tourism Day. Thank you.
Life is so small to visit the world. To string these words into music, Avichal and Disha are here with a beautiful song. Do you know? I am going in a party organized by Earth. Yes, Earth, a beautiful planet. This is the party where all countries are coming. You also join and enjoy.
Hello friends, I am the most beautiful and living planet in universe. Today I am very happy as it is World Tourism Day. This is a day in which I got a lot of appreciation. So today I have organized a party for all my children. Yes, different countries are my children. So, I am calling up my child, Saudi Arab. Oh, coming with sweat. He is coming from the hottest area.
Hello, I'm Saudi Arabia and this is my traditional dress. My language is Arabic. My main festival is Janadriya festival, which is celebrated in the city of Riyadh in late winter and takes up to 2 weeks. In this, activities like camel race, music and dancing of Arad and Mizmar, arts, living history, falconry and tradition takes place. My famous monument is Madin Salaha. Culture of my country is Islamic heritage and Arab. Tradition, Saudi traditions are rooted in Islamic heritage and Arab customs. My people believe in one God, that is Allah, and worship Him. My country is a Muslim country. Thank you.
Next, Japan. Coming with high technology, you can enjoy geisha, the famous tradition and culture.
Ohio gozaimasu. I am Japan. I am famous for so many Buddhist temples and Shinto shrines, which is also a kind of temple. Come and see my famous and tallest tower, Tokyo Skytree. You can enjoy amazing railway networks, the Shinkansen trains. My famous food is sushi and ramen. You can enjoy geisha, the famous tradition and culture of Japan. Come and visit me anytime. Sayonara.
After that, Vietnam. Famous for Vietnam War, Vietnamese coffee, Vietnamese street food, etc.
Zingsha, I am Vietnam. This is my traditional dress. My language is Vietnamese. My main festival is Tết Nguyên Đán, which is celebrated on the day of New Year to express their respect for ancestors, as well as welcoming New Year. In this, my people visit temples, family members, and my friends. My famous monument is Ho Chi Minh statue. My people follow the culture of Taoism, Buddhism, and Confucianism. My country tradition is to follow animistic folk religion. Thank you.
Then, Mexico. Coming with delicious food. This is not a secret that Mexican food is one of the world's most beloved casino.
Hola, I'm Mexico and this is my traditional dress. My language is Spanish. My main festival is Day of Deaths, which is celebrated on November 2 to honor and remember the dates. In this, my people do funky makeup, hold parties, sing and dance.
Mexico City.
Most travel
Mexico
my
City
famous
is the only
monuments
must-visit
like Pyramid
or
of El Castillo
world-class
and
museum.
temples. Basically, my people worship four gods: sun, rain, civilization, destiny, and fortune. My culture
Of the
is
desert,
the process
the
of
beauty
blending
of Scotland
indigenous
cannot be
tradition.
missed.
Thank you.
Number 2.
At the last but not the least, India. It is like rainbow, mixture of different culture and religion. Namaste, I am India. My country is the country of color, the country of culture, country of river, country of festival, country of greenery. In my country, some people follow Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Muslim, Farsi, Sikh, Malayalam, Tamil, Christian and many different religions. Having different culture, tradition and language like Hindu, main festival is Deepavali, Bengal, Durga Puja, Punjab, Lohri, Muslim, Eid, Kerala, Onam and many. Thus, in my country all are different but we all live together as a union. Namaste.
Greetings everyone. Today I am going to say a speech on World Tourism Day. Since 1980s, the United Nations World Tourism Organization has celebrated World Tourism Day as international observances on September 27. This date was chosen as on that day in 1970 the statutes of the UNWTO were adopted. The adoption of these statutes is considered to be a milestone in global tourism. The purpose of this day is to spread awareness on the role of tourism within the international community and to demonstrate how it affects social, economical, political values worldwide. The father of tourism is Thomas Cook. known for his innovation of the conducted tour and founder of Thomas Cook and Sons, a worldwide travel agency. He is credited for bringing travel and tourism to the general public. Theme of 2021's Tourism Day. The theme of 2021's Tourism Day is Tourism for Inclusive Growth. It would be hosted by South African country Cote d'Ivoire. Thank you.